Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to become the person you want to be, and this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. So basically, everyone, I don't want to say everyone, but most people, the vast majority of people, want to become a certain type of person. They almost have a goal or a sort of like a vision for who they want to become. And oftentimes when we are young, we come up with these really intense, amazing people that we want to be, and we come up with these crazy goals. I want to be an astronaut and all this stuff. And then as we get older, we sort of bring down the goals and we just become almost more satisfied with just becoming a slightly better than average type of person, which is not a problem, but I encourage you to keep those big goals and keep those big mindset thoughts, those huge mindset, thoughts that go through your mind, the big mindsets we'll call them. And with the big goals and the big mindsets, you can create this vision of who you want to be. That's the first step. You should create this vision of who you want to be, okay? So in your mind, you got to think about, who is it that I want to be? And I'm not talking about, like, you can think about in a month from now, in a year from now, in 10 years from now, but I'm talking about like your final form in terms of like, if you're a video gamer, I'm a video gamer, so that's what I'm thinking, like your final form, like the ultimate version of yourself that you want to be. Think as big as you can think, okay? Think about, who you want to be in terms of your job, in terms of your personality, in terms of how you view yourself, how others view you, your lifestyle, the things you have, like the tangible stuff that you might own. Think about who you want to be in terms of everything. Go over everything. Come up with this huge, long-term, ultimate version of yourself, of who you want to be, okay? And put that in your mind as a vision, okay? Now, here's the thing. Chances are you're probably not there yet. I don't know a single person that is exactly who they want to be, right? You come up with this vision, this ultimate vision of who you want to be. You're not there yet. You're who you are now, and that's who you want to be, okay? When you have that in your mind, here's how you actually become that person that you've envisioned, the ultimate person of who you want to be. Here's how you actually become that person. Here's how you actually transform into that person over the long term. Every day, you try to end up at least one step closer towards that person. So here's who you are today, who you are right now, and you have a vision of who you want to be in the ultimate form. Okay? Every day, try to get at least one step closer towards becoming that person. It's literally that simple. That's how you do it. And then every day, you're going to be at least one step closer. You're going to be making your way towards that person. Eventually, you should hopefully become that person. And obviously, you might change your vision over the years. You might say, I thought about that I wanted to be that type of person, and now I changed. And that's totally fine. But every day, try to be one step closer, at least one step closer towards that person of who you want to be. And that's how you become that person. Now, I'm going to say this because I think it should go without being said, but I'm going to say it anyways. I mean one step closer as in net positive. Because some days you might wake up and in the morning you're going to take 5 steps back, 5 steps further away from who you want to be. And that's totally normal. It happens to everybody, including myself, including whoever's over there, whoever's over there, whoever's over there, whoever's over there. Everybody. It happens to everybody. But if you wake up and you move 5 steps back, and by the end of the day, you've taken 8 steps forward, guess what? You're still net positive. Some days you might not be net positive. Some days you might not make it. You might not be net positive. You might have a bad day, lots of obstacles, and you just end up being further away from who you want to be. And that's also totally normal. But if you try to be at least one step closer every day towards who you want to be, then that means even if you have one day that's not net positive, one day that's a really bad day, you're going to have maybe 30 days also that are net positive. So you might have one bad day, but you might have 30 good days. You might have 100 good days. So as long as you try to be at least one step closer towards that person, then you're going to be making your way towards becoming who you want to be. And eventually you should get there. And here's the thing. I mean, in life, as goals change and as we change and as we age, right? That is going to continue. That vision of who you want to be is going to continually change. But as long as you try to get towards it every day and you try to get closer to it every day, then you're always going to be making progress. You're always going to be making your way towards becoming that person. And I'm not saying like you might just go through all your life and always furthering that goal of who you want to be, that ultimate form of yourself. And that's totally fine. You might never get there, but you're always going to be better because you're always getting closer. That's the idea. Okay? That's the idea. So you will become as close as you can possibly get to becoming that form, that who you want to be, ultimate form of yourself. And that's it. It's literally that simple. I actually have nothing else to say. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you can make use of it and you can better yourself because of it. But yeah, other than that, I've got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro for this video. So we're going to officially roll the outro for this video. So without further ado, officially, here is the outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.